Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. The Senate Banking Committee made history yesterday with a 15-9 vote advancing the Clarity Act, marking the first time comprehensive crypto market structure legislation has cleared this critical hurdle. Two Democrats, Ruben Gallego of Arizona and Angela Alsobrooks of Maryland, crossed party lines to support the bill. The legislation now heads toward a full Senate floor vote, where it needs 60 votes to pass. Time is running short. The bill must pass before summer recess, or comprehensive crypto regulation could be delayed until 2030. Despite this milestone, Bitcoin is struggling. The cryptocurrency is trading around $77,900, down from highs above $82,000 earlier this week. The primary culprit is surging Treasury yields. The 10-year Treasury yield has climbed above 4.5%, while the 30-year yield approaches 5.1%. April inflation data showed consumer prices rising 3.8% year-over-year, driven by energy costs that jumped 17.9% amid the US-Iran conflict. Markets now price nearly 50% odds for at least one rate hike by year-end. US spot Bitcoin ETF outflows have exceeded $700 million weekly. Over $580 million in crypto positions were liquidated in 24 hours yesterday, with 95% hitting leveraged long positions. Veteran investor Arthur Hayes revealed that Zcash is now one of his largest cryptocurrency holdings outside Bitcoin. Currently trading around $488, Zcash has gained more than 30% in May. Hayes argues that as artificial intelligence and governments gain greater capacity to analyze blockchain data, demand for financial privacy will increase. Zcash uses zero-knowledge proof technology to shield wallet addresses and transaction amounts. Saudi Arabia is making massive moves in tokenization. Faisal Munai is leading a $12.5 billion initiative through Drop RWA to bring real-world assets onto blockchain. In February, Drop RWA completed the world's first tokenized property deed transaction. CME Group and Intercontinental Exchange are urging US regulators to scrutinize Hyperliquid over market manipulation concerns. The decentralized exchange has generated $21.5 billion in crude oil perpetual futures volume. Hype token fell 6% to around $44. Thorchain halted trading after an exploit drained over $10 million. The Rune token plunged 14%. This has accelerated migration to Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol. Strategy announced it may sell Bitcoin to fund a $1.5 billion convertible note repurchase, the first time the company has explicitly named Bitcoin sales as a potential funding source. Prediction markets now assess a 90% probability Strategy will sell Bitcoin before year-end. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.